Welcome back to the FreeCAD tutorial series. In the previous video, we explored the FreeCAD interface and learned how to navigate it. Today, we're diving into one of FreeCAD's most powerful features, workbenches. Workbenches are what make FreeCAD so versatile, and by the end of this video, you'll understand their purpose and how to switch between them. Let's get started. In FreeCAD, a workbench is a collection of tools designed for a specific type of task. This modular approach allows you to use only the tools you need for your current workflow, making FreeCAD both flexible and efficient. You can see the available workbenches in this drop-down menu. FreeCAD comes with several built-in workbenches, and you can also install additional ones depending on your project needs. Let's take a look at some of the most commonly used workbenches in FreeCAD. Start Workbench. This is the default workbench when you open FreeCAD. It provides quick access to recent files, documentation, and community resources. Sketcher Workbench. Used for creating 2D sketches, which are the foundation for 3D models in FreeCAD. We'll cover this in depth in a future video. Part Design. Workbench. This is where you create and modify solid 3D objects. It's ideal for parametric modeling. Part Workbench. Similar to part design, but focuses on Boolean operations and direct modeling techniques. Assembly workbenches, A2 Plus and Assembly 4, used for creating multi-component assemblies by applying constraints to different parts. Draft workbench, great for 2D drawings and technical sketches, often used for architectural designs. Spreadsheet workbench, allows you to create parametric models by linking dimensions to spreadsheet values. Tech Draw Workbench, used for creating professional technical drawings from 3D models. These are just a few of the many workbenches available in FreeCAD. Each one is designed to streamline specific workflows, so picking the right one is key to efficient modeling. FreeCAD allows you to extend its functionality by installing additional workbenches. To do this, go to Tools, then Add-on Manager, where you'll find a variety of community-developed workbenches. Once installed, these workbenches appear in your Workbench dropdown, ready to use. And that's an introduction to FreeCAD workbenches. Now you know how to switch between them and choose the right tools for your workflow. In the next video, we'll take a deep dive into the Sketcher workbench and start creating 2D sketches. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials. Let me know in the comments which workbench you use the most. See you in the next video.